Hi, my name is Rijke. I'm the Managing Director for Enware Technologies. We're basically a company that provides business management software to SME companies. So one of the key things that we focus on is very much help companies improve how they run their business through software. Software in question being SAP Business One. Now, one of the key things that we like to bring into the process, particularly for SME companies, is our kind of consultative approach. So what we mean by that is it's not focused on just selling somebody the software and getting that implemented and then getting out the door. It's very much about consulting with companies and really helping them bring their business and their processes into the software and then let the software actually help them run their business. I'm very excited today to, obviously with the help of the IDA, to announce that we're bringing or planning to bring 25 jobs over the next kind of 3 years into County Laois. One of the key things for Enware is we're a great believer in certain values within the company. One key one being family values. So we're very keen to offer a very strong work-life balance. We feel, particularly as we build up the business here in Ireland, that surrounding and setting ourselves here in this environment will allow us to do that for the staff that will be coming on board over the coming years. It's very exciting times ahead. We've great plans over the next few years, not only here in Ireland, but to go further afield and very much drive into the rest of Europe. But initially now we're keen to kick off here in Ireland, which we've done over the last about year and a half. So far with great success, which is great. Even today we're actively hiring to basically underpin our growth and drive the business forward. We're really excited about, in effect, the coming period. And like I said, hopefully we can push further into Europe, but Ireland will very much be sort of our HQ for Europe as we drive our further expansion.